make sure to subscribe. Now, today I'm going to be doing a room tour. I did do one a few days ago, but I got lazy again and I didn't edit the video. So, I edited, but it wasn't edited. So, right now I'm going to start off by showing you what is behind this sheet that I will be using for my new background, whatever. So, make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. By the way, I have a friend who knows someone who got kidnapped, and I will be putting her picture up right here. Her name is Jemiah, yeah, and she's from around the Bay Area, and the last time they saw her was in Oakland, California. She was wearing joggers and a, I think, white tank top, but I will be putting her name down below in the picture right next to my head. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. So it's like 10 o'clock at night, and when I was recording it was 5 o'clock p.m. or either 4, I don't know. But, so we're going to start with the bed. Ew. So this is my bed. I did move it. My pillow, my Toy Story sheet, whatever. I have like 3 pillows actually. And then next I have this wall decor thing that I got from Dollar Tree. And I have my fairy lights on. I did just have my light off because I was about to go to sleep and forget that I had a whole video to record. And then over here I have this. No, I'm not playing. I need to clean that. Like, all right here. That's my old backpack. A painting my friend made for me for my birthday, and then I need to clean that. That's like my underwear and a random wooden butterfly in there. And over here is my little Halloween and fall section. And then I have like a lot of stuff to show. So this is my Shades of Autumn candle. I don't have matches to light them, so I take some out with the knife and put it on top of here. But this right here is from Tea Light Candle. This is cinnamon pumpkin, I think, something like that. And then here's my apple pie. My apple pie candle. Do the same thing with it. This little hat, I think I got it from Target last year. And then these daisies, not daisies, sunflowers from Dollar Tree. And these little eyeballs. And then this little skeleton, it did light up the eyes. And then I have a black light bulb. And then down here, I have a lot of stuff. My clock, paint, pads, and a reusable water bottle. Then here's my belt, and then an umbrella, and I have some random stuff in here. And then this is just drying. Says shirt. And I have my dirty clothes in here, and my clothes that are still wet because someone didn't want to give me an extra quarter. And then I have some nails up there and books and everything. I need to close this actually. And then up here I have this little section that I made today. I have little flowers that I got from Dollar Tree. These are Halloween flowers. I just pulled them apart. I have the fairy lights over here, and then this plush blanket that I sacrificed to hang up. So here's a full view of my bedroom. I don't know why I painted that. That's a bathing suit shirt up there too. My room's not that big, but I think I can show you guys inside of the drawers over here. So I have random stuff in there, random stuff everywhere in my room. And then finally, I just want to show you guys this, not finally, but I want to show you guys this pumpkin spray, pumpkin apple. Got it from Walmart. It smells great. And I got this picture right here from, well, I printed it out. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell button down below. Share this video with your friends, and remember, keep an eye out for kidnapped person. You can't say they're my friend, I don't know them, but I have a friend who knows them and who used to work with them, so keep an eye out for them. I will be putting her picture up again right here, and I will see you guys soon with another video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and